let's take a quick look at the handover then coming in from the Wall Street, because you did see quite a rally coming on Friday. You did have the three major averages, in fact, post their first weekly gain of the new year. So when you take a look at the Dow Jones, you're looking at an addition of about 334 points or 0.7% thereabout, ended above those 43,400 levels is where Dow Jones was at. And when you take a look at the S&P 500 as well, an uptick of 1% is what you're looking at. Even as far as this particular index is also concerned, Nasdaq Composite is the one that also advanced 1.5% as well. Now you do have big tech stocks that were higher on the day, that is on Friday, with shares of Tesla popping 3%. You did have chip-making giant Nvidia, that's the one that jumped 3.1% as well. And you do have Alphabet shares that also added more than 1%. When you take a look at the move for the week, then for the week, you did have the Dow and the S&P 500 that advanced 3.7% and 2.9% respectively. Let's try and get that plate up as well, because you'll be able to track the weekly movement, which is for the Dow Jones, it's 3.7% of an uptick and 2.9% when I'm talking about the S&P 500 as well. You did have both indexes that posted their biggest weekly advance since the week of the US presidential election in November as well. You do have the Nasdaq that also climbed 2.5% week to date for its best 1 week performance since early December last week as well. So that's the kind of move that you saw coming in last week. Those gains come after investors also received back-to-back reports showing inflationary pressures softening somewhat. So that largely is the kind of handover that we have, at least as far as US markets are concerned. But Priyanka, it was quite the week coming in as far as oil was also concerned.
Morning, Shreyanshi, of course, but then
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.